Ummul Mu'minin Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radiallahu anha proposed to Quraiba binte Abi Umayya on behalf of Abdul Rahman ibn Abu Bakr. They married her to him, and her people found fault with Abdul Rahman and said, "We only gave in marriage because of Aisha." Aisha radiallahu anha therefore sent for Abdul Rahman and told him about it. He gave Quraiba authority over herself, and she chose her husband. And so there was no divorce. Al-Hadith Muwatta Imam Malik, book number 29, Hadith number 4.14.